Shanghai Zhezhou Engineering and Mechanism Company Limited. Dynamic, founded in 1983, which is located at Shanghai Comprehensive Industrial Zone. Dynamic is a professional enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. The company mainly produces concrete equipments and compaction equipments, including laser screeds, power trowels, concrete cutting machines, concrete vibrators, floor grinders, tamping rammers, plate compactors, road rollers, etc. Dynamic products are based on humanized design, with exquisite appearance, reliable quality, and stable performance, making you feel more comfortable and convenient during operation. The product has passed CHES certification. Our factory is also ISO 9001 certified. We have two modern large-scale production bases, located in Shanghai and Huai'an, Jiangsu Province, covering a total area of more than 70,000 square meters. We have 8 production lines with a total capacity of more than 100,000 pieces of machinery and equipment. Dynamic's goal is to provide customers with qualified products with advanced technology, satisfactory service, and competitive prices. We are committed to pursuing outstanding performance in all aspects and becoming a world-class supplier of construction equipment. Since our establishment, we have continuously explored international markets and established long-term business relationships with customers from all over the world. Our products sell well in more than 100 countries and have won the trust and praise of our customers. Welcome to join us and create brilliance with us. Dynamic world, dynamic life.